welcome to this week's AMA. And our question for the week is actually 3 questions. So I'm going to give you a chance to take a look at them and see if maybe you notice some similarities. So these questions are all about whether or not you actually have to solve for individual variables or whether you're solving for an expression. And so the first thing that you want to decide is when you're given a question or an equation or a series of equations, but you're asked to solve for an expression, then you want to ask yourself, is this expression somehow related to any of the equations that I have been given? So we're going to look to see if maybe there's a faster way. So what we notice is that you really can't get from the absolute value of 2x plus 1 to the absolute value of a and b, where a and b are the solutions. There's nothing connecting those two solutions to this particular absolute value. But over here, where we have a system of linear equations, which you can solve a variety of ways, they're not asking you to solve for x or for y. They're actually asking you to solve for the expression 5x plus 5y, which is totally what you get if you just added these two together. So I want you to think for a minute about why that means you don't have to solve all the way for x and y. And then in this last one, we notice that we have u plus t, and we have the value for the expression u minus t. And then what they're asking us to find is the expression of u minus t times u squared minus t squared. This one takes a little bit more attention, but think about what is the connection between u squared minus t squared and u plus t and u minus t, and how might that make that a little bit easier? So in this first case, as I said, it's not related. And I put this one in because I don't want you to think that they're always related. So you just have to solve the absolute value. And the way that we do that is we set up the inside part of the absolute value, 2x plus 1, but it's going to be equal to 5, or it's going to be equal to -5, and solve, and you get 2 and 3. And it doesn't matter in which order you put these solutions into, it doesn't matter which order you subtract these solutions, because once you take the absolute value, you're going to get the same thing, right? 2 minus -3 is +5, and -3 minus 2 is -5, but the absolute value of both is 5. Now over here, if we add these two equations, we get 5x plus 5y equals 2,500. Well, that is the answer. That's what they want to know. What is the value of 5x plus 5y? So that's it. You're done. And for this last one, did you figure it out? That's right. U minus t times u plus t is u squared minus t squared. So right here, we have this u minus t, and we can replace u squared minus t squared with u minus t, u plus t. Well, we know what u minus t, oops. Well, I'm not really sure how that happened. We know that u minus t is equal to 2. And u plus t is equal to 5. So we simply replace those expressions with those values. And we get 2 times 2 times 5, which is 20. And those are the answers to the 3 questions for this week. Questions. All right. Happy practicing.